Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kanan. Today I built this awesome car. Sorry about my sister. This is me and my sister. So this car was one of my favorite presents. Let me show you the front. Let me show you the inside. Then I'm gonna show you how it rolls. Oh, sorry guys. So that's how it drives. So that's my Christmas present from this year.
Yeah, it's sorry big, guys.
Oh yeah, my sister just loves talking. Please like and subscribe because that would really help us out. Thank you if you do. Bye guys. Peace.